There is absolutely no other reason why I'm doing this other than to help the person that we're helping. Delbert Stracener is an Army veteran. About 2.5 years ago, he was confined to a wheelchair and had to have an immediate surgery for spinal cancer. At the same time, his house was basically destroyed by a hailstorm. Holes in the skylights to where water's leaking into the ceiling and causing water damage, and there's mold throughout the house now. You know, it limits his abilities to feel free in his own home.
Getting to serve my country and make life better for everybody here, that's what I wanted to be a part of. And I always wanted to be, I've always been proud to say I'm a veteran.
I am so emotionally invested into this.
And I appreciate it.
I grew up in Palm Springs, California. I joined the Air Force when I was 19. As soon as I got to my first base, I deployed straight to Iraq. That was my experiences overseas. The first tour led to my first diagnosis of PTSD, but I didn't know what that meant, really. After my second deployment, I had some real trauma. Came home, and I ended up breaking my femurs mountain biking. For the first time in my life, I was suicidal. Always thinking about like how I didn't get blown up in Iraq and how I still ended up with no legs and not being able to use my legs. All the internal trauma that was stored in my body. I feel like almost everything from Iraq was in my legs, and when I crashed, everything just got released into my body. My goal is to, get the knowledge I need to succeed, and it's been really amazing going through school with a higher goal beyond the degree. Like, I'm able to apply what I'm learning. I'm taking a fundraising strategies class right now. I've already been using what I'm learning, and it's already improving my fundraising abilities and getting sponsorships for this project. Obviously, it's really personal. I'm going to school for it, and I have the right support, coaches and mentors behind me to get it done now. So we're moving forward, and we're gonna build this house. You can take yourself out of the trauma, and you can own it and move forward with it and do some good with it.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. This is so beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, I could go in my bedroom.
You can go in your bedroom.
Oh, wow.
We widen these walls. I think that's the one thing I've experienced and recognized the most in all my human services and nonprofit classes. Everybody there has their reason for being in human services, for serving others, for helping others, and just providing that community service. So I think we picked a good path.
Oh my goodness, it's just amazing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.